Okay, here we are again with TinkerCAD, working on the lesson for today, Minecraft Party Glasses. I have signed into TinkerCAD. Remember, you click on Learn. And you click on Lessons. Then you click See All Lessons. Minecraft Party Glasses is the first lesson. Here we are. It's called Minecraft Party Glasses. This is the one we're going to be completing today. So I'm going to hover over Minecraft Party Glasses, drag it over, click on Start. So here we are. So what we have here, this is the start of the Minecraft Party Glasses. It says, in this lesson, you will learn to design a cool pair of party glasses. Click on Next. Step 1, number 1. Start by dragging the box shape to the work plane. Here is my box shape here. I am dragging, left click on it, dragging it, putting it into the orange guidelines. Here I have a box to the work plane. Step 2 is just telling us where we can locate this box shape. It says you can find the box shape in the panel on the right side of the screen. So we're going Next. Scale it a bit smaller. Step 3, number 1 says we scale it smaller to a height of 5 millimeters tall and size it to a 6x6 diameter. So I'm going to click on my box. Remember to zoom in. This top white square is where we're going to click to scale down the height. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click in the box where it says 20. And I'm going to press 5 for 5 millimeters. Press Enter. Now my box is 5 millimeters tall. Now the diameter, remember diameter, we click on these white squares in the corner, any one of them. I click on it and I want the diameter to be 6 by 6 millimeters. It says you can adjust the snap grid located in the right corner of the editor from 1 to 0.5. Snap grid is down here on your screen. We're going to change the snap grid from 1 to 0.5. Okay, I changed my snap grid. Now I'm going to drag my box into the orange shape, orange guidelines. I can move it over with the arrow keys. Okay. Now on to the next step. Now we're going to start building the glasses. It says, now drag the box to the area outlined in orange. Now I'm going to drag this box to the area outlined in orange. So I'm dragging it over. Now copy and paste the box to fill in the in the rest of the outline areas. So you could copy and paste, or remember, if you hold down the Alt key, so I'm holding down Alt and just drag it, left click and drag it, it will copy and paste it for you. So I'm holding down the Alt key, Alt, left clicking and dragging. Now I'm click next. And this box says scale it to 24 millimeters long to fill in the area outlined in orange. As you can see here, this is the box we need to extend. If I click on that, remember to extend, we are clicking on the black boxes. That is how we extend. So I'm going to click on this black box. I clicked on it. I'm changing it from 6 to 24. Enter. Click next. Now it says copy and paste the long ones to the areas outlined, to the orange outline area. So I'm going to click on this long box here, the 24, and I'm going to hold down my Alt key, Alt, and I'm just going to left click and drag it. And I'll just left click and drag it while holding down the Alt key. There we go. So when you hold down the Alt key and you left click, hold down Alt, left click and drag, it will copy and paste and leave your original shape in the place where it needs to be. So as you can see here, we have quite a bit of boxes, and this is just us holding down the Alt key, left click and dragging our squares into the different shapes. Hold down Alt. So I'm going to click on this square, hold down Alt, and clicking and dragging this square. So this is me holding down the Alt key, and I'm left click and drag. If you mess up, undo buttons up there. It's gonna take some getting used to, but you just hold down the Alt key, then left click and just drag it. So as I'm doing this, I'm continuing to hold down the Alt key and just dragging my cube into the different orange outline area. continuing to hold down Alt while I left click and drag my cube to the orange outline areas. So notice that there is some cubes here that is a different size shape. So you can still click on it, hold down Alt, drag it over, and then just extend it out. Click on that one, hold down Alt, move it over the black squares and extend it out. Even here, hold down the Alt key, drag this box over, click on the black box, extend it out. I have all of it. So next, it says select all the objects and group them together. So I'm going to left click and drag. Oh, I didn't get everything, so I'm zoom way out. Left click and drag. I have all 42 shapes selected right here. Then I'm going to click on my group it button. And there we have it. I have my glasses there. I'm going to click next. There we have it. And remember, the last step, going over here, clicking on basic shapes. Then to text and numbers. And you're going to drag your name to the work plane, or your initials, or your first letter of your name, your last initial. You could be as creative as you want when you are putting your name onto the work plane. Here you go. I'm just standing mine using the arrow keys. I'm going to raise it up again. Click on the letters, the black cone right here. That is what you use to raise your letters up off the work plane. There we have it. My finished design for the Minecraft party glasses. Make sure you take a screenshot and attach it to the assignment that is posted on Teams. This concludes the TinkerCAD lesson on Minecraft party glasses.